Today in this lecture, we will discuss how to get Azure Storage Account URL. So as part of this video tutorial, we have three simple approaches we will utilize to do that using the Azure portal. And the second approach is we can use PowerShell to retrieve the storage account URL. And the third approach is we can also utilize Azure CLI scripts. Let me navigate to Azure portal where I will show you the first approach. So you can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal. So here what you need to do, just search for storage account and click on the search result storage accounts under the services. Here you will see all your storage accounts, the list of storage accounts you have created. Okay. Now click on the one for the one you want to see the storage account URL, right? Click on that. The moment you will click on that particular storage account on that specific storage account page, you can able to see here JSON view on the right side, right? You can click on the JSON view, and then if you'll go down, you can able to see all the URLs here based on the category, right? So like the blob is this URL, the queue is this URL, table file like that. All the URLs based on the category of your storage account is here. You can just copy this URL and utilize it wherever you want. So this is the JSON view, how we can use JSON view to get the URL of your storage account. And I will just close this one. And so the second thing is you can also use endpoints to get that particular URL. The storage account URL. So for that, what you need to do in the left navigation, you can just expand the settings tab, and then you can able to see the endpoints link. Right, click on that, and here you will see all the URLs, right? And next to each category there is a copy button. You can just click on the copy to clipboard button to copy that particular URL, right? So this is for blob service, this is for file service, this URL, and this is for queue like that, this is for table. So all these URLs are here next to the resource ID, right? So you can just click on the copy to clipboard to copy that particular URL and utilize it wherever you need. So this is the fast approach, guys. You can use Azure portal to retrieve the URL of your storage account. Now the second approach is you can also utilize the uh, PowerShell script to retrieve the storage account URL. So for that, what I'll do, I've already written the script in a notepad. So from the notepad, I will copy it and we will execute in the PowerShell ISC, and I will explain you there what are the command and what is the parameter we are using, right? So let me just show you in the notepad. You're able to see I've already written this command. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this to my to the Windows PowerShell ISC, which I have already opened here. I will just click here on a new script. I'll paste it here. So you can able to see I have already zoomed it. So what you need to use connect hyphen AZ account, and then this is storage account is a variable where we are trying to get using this get hyphen AZ storage account command. This is the main command to retrieve the storage account URL details. And here along with that, we are providing the resource group name that your storage account belongs to. In my case, it is this one, my new RESG group. So then the name is this is the storage account name, right? So whatever we have done in the Azure portal, right? If you go here, this is the storage account name. So same storage account, I'm using it here, right? And if you'll see the resource group is this is the resource group. You can able to see it here, the same resource group. So what I'm using here, the resource group name and the name of the storage account along with this particular command. Then what we are doing, storage account means this variable dot primary endpoints dot blob or file or all the category of your storage account, so that we will get all those URLs, right? So let me just execute this and I will show you that we are getting that particular results, right? So this is asking for authorization. I'll just log in and it is successful now, and you can able to see it is retrieving the details. It will just take few seconds. You know, so now it is asking me select a tenant and subscription, type a number or enter to accept the default. I will put the default one. Now you can able to see we got the expected output. So these all are the URLs we got, right? Based on the storage account category, right? Blob, file, DFS, queue, table, right? And this one as well. So this how you can use PowerShell script to retrieve the Azure Storage Account details. So basically, this script and all, if you want, I've already written an article, and that article link I'm going to put it in the video description. You can just check out that article, and you can copy these commands if you want to use it. Right now, as I told you, this is the second approach, and the third approach is we can also use a Azure CLI script to retrieve the this one, right? The Azure Storage Account URL. So the command is I have already written in the notepad. I will just copy it. Let me just copy it. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here just to show you clearly. So you can able to see here the main command here is AZ storage account. So this is the main command. Along with that, we are passing the resource group name as the parameter, and then the name of the storage account with the name parameter, and the query is primary endpoint dot blob or table, the category basically, right? So these are the three categories I'm trying to retrieve. Same way you can specify the other category, dot then the other category, right? So like dot file, same way you can utilize it. So what I'll do, I'll just copy one of this command. I'll copy it, and what we'll do, we will try executing that. I'll go to the portal, and I will click on the Azure Cloud Shell, and here it will just take few seconds to connect to the terminal. Once it will get connected, I will just paste it. Let me just paste the command, and you can able to see we got the expected output. Same way, if I will go and copy the other one as well, I will go and copy the next one, and then I will go here again. I will paste it again. I will get the URL. You can able to see this way we got those URLs of your storage account based on the category specified here, right? So these are the approaches you can utilize to retrieve the storage account URL details, right? So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to retrieve the Azure storage account URL, and these are the three simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free Azure tips as well as helpful Azure PowerShell commands as well as Azure CLI commands. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.